Hello YouTube travelers, we are off to St. Mary's today. If you don't know who we are, I'm Kimmy.
And I'm Kari.
And you're watching Travel with the Twins. The St. Mary Lodge and Resort. And this is the Great Bear Lodge here at St. Mary's. So we are literally right here at the entrance of the Great Bear Lodge. Oh, this thing's big. Look at this. Oh, wow. Welcome to Glacier. Ooh, this is fancy. Let's look at this bedding. The bear, very nice. Oh, here's a closet. Ta-da! And the bathroom. Look at the cute little lights. And shower with a tub. All right. And look, I just found the refrigerator. And on the TV cabinet, I noticed some little bear handles here, and I noticed the trash can. So cute. All right, let's go out here. Got some little chairs, and there's our view of Glacier National Park. All right, and welcome to the St. Mary Lodge. We're gonna give you a little quick tour around the village and let's check it out. Here is St. Mary's. It is on the east side of the Going to the Sun Road. You got a gas station here. Behind that, in this building, is a sporting good shop where you can get t-shirts and ice cream and outdoor equipment and sportswear. And then the big building behind there is called the Great Bear Lodge, where we're staying at. And then over to the right is the main lobby. Over there are those tiny homes. Trail and Creek Outfitters. All right, so this is inside the Outfitters here at St. Mary's. You get some ice cream here or sandwiches. And this is at the Curly Bear Cafe, which is right next to the shops with the t-shirts and everything. And this building right here is the St. Mary's Supermarket. Here is the main lodge building. All right, here is St. Mary's Lodge. Some games there you can play. Little corners you can sit in. Cool lamp. There's the registration desk. There's some cafe back there, gift shop over here, and you can eat back there too. Okay guys, we're inside the St. Mary gift shop. Oh, Christmas ornaments. Picture frames. Huh? Harry Potter. Pretty big store and lots of things to choose from. Alright, so we're in the main lodge now, and we have Snow Goose Grill here, and you just seat yourself, place you can eat. And then reception is over there, and the gift shop is over here. And then there's also rooms to stay in, which you can go up the stairs. Here's a map. Okay, here's all the tiny homes. I can kind of see them. Tiny homes in there. right is the west. Back out. So there's some of the tiny homes. And then over here, this is the West Motel. Alright everybody, I think that's going to do it here for the tour at St. Mary Village. We hope this helped you guys. If you're planning a trip here to Glacier National Park, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, and let us know if you've been here or if you're planning a trip here and if this was helpful for you guys. And we will see you next time. Bye travelers!